press freedom. Our duty as a house, as Honorable Sam George invited us to do, is to uphold the constitution. It's our duty bona fide. Why is Wontumi suffering? What has Wontumi done? What at all has Wontumi done?
It is a local Monchimanka how it is Sam George, Minister for Information and Communication. It was all trended by. Nina after said Obe closing down some TV and radio stations. I said Wontumi TV Eka Assassin Radio Eka and a Happy FM so come Nina Kabuma 62 TV stations. Sam George Abe closing that was done 2 minutes so Abe closing that Amadi Oye. His Excellency John Mahama any Afenyo Markin Abe fire Sam George. Now His Excellency Akaya Sam George said on restore TV station now we're closing down on the warning. On some TV station now Emra back to the airwaves. I have Penyah Block Media. Mess was any demo. Over like video no that room. Over subscribe to never click on the face now for the latest updates. Now better the wide and the mama ever comment section. Mess of Baswa. Watch the video for so any be ashe. It's more history kakra. Over somewhere in 2023 nimu. And an NPP government. That time as also any Minister for Communication and Information. Ekas working yes, there are some TV stations across the country. Almost license, but almost be renew. They are doing due diligence, they are doing investigation and inspection. Almost license, almost renew. She's urging all of them to renew their licenses before things get out of hands. What I say, Emma do buy no. Town no so na still. There was some radio station TV station go no more. Na almost renew almost license. It's no man. The then information minister Esro is okay ni obe close those TV stations and radio stations no down. Emu and Mahama Beka said there be Ghana for you to phone. Na yen campaign against set buying a coup for buying a person or close some TV and radio stations and you're nice in campaign against that.
Let us rise up and speak against the dictatorial withdrawal of radio frequencies and closure of radio stations by the government of Nana Akufo-Addo.
What I say, yes, I didn't hear. It is against freedom of speech. It is against that. I didn't know who close fine Nipano, Yaman, the break, it is His Excellency Eka Assembly. Now we see how 2025 a top we are over Kaya. Ya top we are, yes, it's about this Sound George, Eba and I want to think captain Namemu. I said Sound George, I be shoot threats. I the threat mono. Now some specific TV stations were mentioned. A bit is a Wontumi TV, Assassin Radio, those TV stations over one. TV stations are anybody say about your board in Nano. Acquire MPP, what I say, acquire MPP TV stations. There was a 12 June 2025. Anna Sam George, Minister for Information and Communication. Oko PM our Twitter. What I say, Twitter, Oko PM our Hono. I just say, influencer Kalije, New Space, our host here, our Twitter. And Hona Sam George, Oko PM. So you go PM no. There are some TV stations and radio stations more than one. Honor as Minister for Information was an out of my momo bread. And then coming now benya and against such a Omun Kratas and Kobe Bia aye. There's what her still Omun you might say Omun man Kratas aye, Itania and ne or how no more. Or now so said these TV station and radio station were closing down Isaac Comuno. Not Assassin Radio Ewum, Wontumi TV Ewum, and a Happy FM Ewum.
I think that the president has just chosen to be a magnanimous father because this week is Father's Day, the Father's Day week, and so he's showing his fatherly love. But it would have been best that we allowed the law to work. But once the president has spoken, we've complied. We've given a grace period of 30 days. Because you see, when I took over office, in the first month of me taking over office, we suspended the licenses of 6 radio stations to serve as a warning to all those who knew that. And I will tell you for a fact, there are over 200 stations, over 200, that have flouted the law and are operating illegally. And we use the first 6 to send a signal, hoping that that will make those who are not meeting the requirements quickly try to take steps. But it's like, in Ethiopia, they won't listen. They won't mind us. Now, the minority leader tried to paint a picture that this was just about Asase Radio. Look, there's a serving minister in the cabinet of President Mahama. There's a cabinet minister whose radio station I shut down today. There's an MP whose radio station who immediately just left the parliament, an NDC MP who just left parliament in January this year. I shut down her radio station as well. And I could give you several other radio stations that are affiliated to people who are pro-NDC. But like I said, my action is irrespective of your political affiliation. Because if we need to build a country, we cannot build a country on partisanship. Look, if you go on my X page and my Facebook page, I've put out some letters, and I've been forced to do that in response to the minority leader. Because the first letter is dated 21st of December 2022 from the NCA, addressed to the Managing Director of Wontumi Multimedia Company Limited. Dear Sir, violation of conditions of authorization. 21st December 2022, was John Mahama president? Was Sam George minister? It was signed by Joe Anochi. He wrote another letter on the 21st of February 2023. So if on the 11th of June 2025, I am enforcing violations that they have been warned about for years, since 2022, how is that political? How does that become a political thing? I want to understand. Look, and I would give credit to Mr. Gabriel Asareo Chidako. He did a Facebook post today, which I saw, where he says, yes, it's true. Asasi Radio, which celebrates its 5th anniversary Saturday, has been shut down. The GM informs me it's because the station delayed in renewing its license last year. It was to be renewed by October, but only done in October 2024. And people say, oh, but if they renewed it, then why did you shut them down? Okay, here's what it is. The law is very clear. Radio licenses are not like your driving license that you renew, that you renew them when they expire. The law is clear that if you have a radio license, 90 days at the very least, the latest you can renew your license is 90 days to the expiration date. That's what the law says. So if you have a license, and in the case of Asase, the license was issued to them on 22nd October 2019. It was to expire on 21st October 2024. It then means that to renew this license, you must have made the application by the 21st of July 2024. Because that's 90 days to the expiration, which is 21st of October. If you come to apply on the 22nd of July 2024, your application can no longer be a renewal application. You have to put in a fresh application for a new license. That's the law. It's not Sam George. That's the law. And this law was upheld when Eslausu shut down the 139 radio stations and they went to the Electronic Communications Tribunal. Justice Dateban stated clearly that if the 90 days start counting, you cannot renew your license. You must apply for a new license. Now, Asase did not apply for his license, and all of these stations normally will get a letter from the NCA 6 months to the expiration. 6 months to the expiration of their license. The NCA will write to them. People in the media that because they are media houses, the law must apply to you.
What I say? Emma, what I say? Now Sam George, ain't a whole minister, Obi addressing the public. This is Obi influencer be a space. Our Twitter and a minister. Obi space our hosting our Twitter. And I'm addressing the public. What I say? Emma, you can do something for error with that. Now, ever you know. After you don't see there be a dear potting a wound to me. I will gun had a master attack a wound to me. So I saw no. A champion yoko for watching and Mujano. Am I a floor crown? Wound me ding as a shadow night. I say, arrest, born home as a wound now. I say, arrest, me tea. I smell arrest. Me tea say, ye better not to be me tea pampa wound to arrest, born home. Jail, born wound to me home. Not out of nowhere. The Tuesday is well. Must have closing down there. Any Afenyo Markin, FIA power parliament.
Press freedom, our duty as a house, as Honorable Sam George invited us to do, is to uphold the Constitution. It's our duty bona fide. So, Mr. Speaker, let's not justify in any way this attitude of shut down. If yesterday we were loud on the rooftops that it is not good to suspend or shut down, then today let us maintain the same principle and say that we would rather have an administrative engagement. Why should Asase Radio be denied the opportunity to broadcast? Why will Wontumi be denied opportunity? Why is Wontumi suffering? Why is Wontumi suffering? Why is Wontumi suffering? What has Wontumi done? What at all has Wontumi done? Mr. Speaker, if we say we want to perfect our democracy, then we must be seen to be walking that talk towards perfecting our democracy. This business of it happened yesterday, so we must continue this vicious cycle. Mr. Speaker, it won't help any of us. Today, I will repeat what I've been saying since 7 January 2025, that this power of 187 is not permanent. We have seen 169 before, and we saw 137. So let us all be guided and know that the power immediately you are given is like an ice block. It begins to melt. We should be guided so that when the power comes to us, we will remember to put in certain blocks that one day we will use it for equity in times of need. But if you have a member for Kwesimintim who now says in his submission that he is applauding the harsh measures, the punitive actions of a regulatory authority, which is contrary to Constitution. If a lawyer from Kwesimintim and a member of this house argues that he finds no problem with an administrative authority vested with regulatory powers exceeding its mandate, let me, Mr. Speaker, as for Hansard,
Honorable Minority
it would
Leader,
always be a great
Honorable Minority
witness.
Leader,
So, Mr. Speaker,
please operate within Order 91.4.
very well.
So,
Mr. Speaker, all that we are saying today will be referred to tomorrow. Mr. Speaker, so I would want to encourage Honorable Sector Minister to rather deepen the engagement process as directed by the President. Some of these belated actions for the purpose of optics will not help the cause of democracy. Stay away from the punitive actions. Stay away from this excuse of you need to enforce a regulation, especially when in enforcing the regulation you may be slipping out of the confines of the Constitution. We as the minority here will always move with full force to support all those who will be at the receiving end of any form of injustice. Mr. Speaker, without more, I shall resume my seat and listen to the majority leader to have his take on this matter. Thank you so much.
Now we see after Sam George, a copy more college a Twitter space. Now Oko make a declaration said these two stations were then to as Minister for Communication Information are closing down. Emua and His Excellency, the President, John Dramani Mahama so Abemubie. Mahama issue communicate as Yatudini President Mahama request clemency for affected radio stations. Do you understand clemency? Clemency means the president na bunko to be a patcho or patcho clemency. President John Dramani Mahama has directed the Minister for Communications, Digital Technology and Innovation to liaise with the National Communication Authority (NCA) to immediately restore the broadcast of 64 radio stations affected by the regulator's action. The president believes that regulatory compliance must take into account the need to uphold and enhance the media freedom, and that requiring radio stations to shut down while awaiting the regulation of their authorization could limit the space for expressing such freedoms. The president has asked the minister to work with the NCA on a reasonable time frame within which the affected stations should regularize their authorization. Signed, Felix Opposite, that is Presidential Staff for Communication, and I was signed this particular, letter. There's a now Mahama Afenyo, His Excellency Afenyo, our treasurer, Sam George, and we now Tuesday's regulation are closing down on and restore. Now it is against freedom of speech. It has connection with and some of kind in 2023 after said Nanka as Rosu episode closes down some TV stations. No, Mama fire back. I can say it is against freedom of speech. It now no. Sam George as president 1 year now. Wabe fire back at Sam George. Okay, Sam George said it is against freedom of speech. It's permanently. And now, Chirawa Mama, comment section. I have Penyah Media.